Solo King here with a how-to video on a 2004 Grand Prix Supercharged on a sway bar, and gave this person a couple blowout tires, so we gonna go ahead and look at that today. I'll get back with you in a minute.
I don't have to fight with it a certain way since it's already broke a certain way. Since it's already broke off.
Which bar is that? That's it there?
Yeah, this is it. Since it's broke off. My finger in there. That's how you know it's split. And this the other part, this piece right here I was telling you that the little piece to hold it to the frame.
Okay.
That's the piece we was. But yeah, this is what we was hearing. Yeah. So we hit certain bumps, it fly up here and hit this. So hopefully we can get that done right today. Fits in. Take that long. I'm all broke up.
Yeah.
That's what make the job easier to me.
It's rusted out.
It rusted out of the piece. As you see me, because I'm sure looking like, huh? Excuse me.
That is a sway bar.
I'm gonna put the bar on probably first.
Do it that way, make it easy for you.
Yeah.
Now it goes on the outside of it too. So it's basically slide in place. Grease. That way it don't rust out. Nice little layer on the line.
Get just most of the screws.
Now as you see, it's a little bite down like that. I got it in the air. Got a little pressure off for the straight. The straight is about lined up just about right to get it on there without having to fight with it. I need to take it up just a little bit more. Right on point. There we go. Just like I said. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Go ahead and tighten up this side. I'll be back. Now, all I have to do is tighten 1, 2, and the back screw that holds it on right here. All 3 was 15. It was pretty simple, sturdy. Can't move that motherfucker. Not at all. I'm gonna stop shaking too hard if I shake the car off it stands, but you get the picture. Didn't take that long.